Hi Virgos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Virgos, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship. We are picking these cards. So, these are for your general energies. This is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation, Virgos. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And I have a pick a card reading right after this general energy. So if you want more clarity, you can watch that reading, Virgos. And if you are interested in a personal reading, I have a very good friend of mine who is an intuitive reader and she gives personal reading in Fiverr. So you can contact her. I'll be sharing her link in the description below, Virgos. So let's start the reading with these cards for your general energies. We have 8 of Moons, 7 of Suns in reverse, and Magician in reverse. So, in your circumstances today, Virgos, maybe in your work or maybe in your relationship, you are a person, a very friendly person, and you have someone really close to you. It may be your family member, someone you trust, and someone you respect. And this person is suggesting you certain things, giving you ideas on certain things, and today maybe you should not listen to them. Even though you trust them a lot and you believe in this person a lot, you cannot trust this person with certain decisions. Though you may feel that you lack clarity, there is some kind of confusion, doubt, you don't know which way to go or what is the right thing to do today regarding some important choices you need to make, and you're quite anxious and you have a lot of doubts. But whatever be the situation, you should not listen to this person because the suggestions they are giving you may not work well and it is not good right now. So you need to be careful. Same may apply in your relationship. Maybe you have something important to decide. You are making an important decision in this relationship. You are quite confused, but you need to decide for yourself, Virgos. You should not take anyone's suggestions today. And you may feel a little disappointed, little stressed, and if you are a person interested in some kind of a spiritual practice, Virgos, I think meditation may help you. Meditation will help you calm your mind, will help you come out of all the doubts, and maybe today you may even have some fears about the future, fears about so you need someone's help. But today you may be in that circumstance needing a lot of help today, but the best thing to do today is to stay strong and to think and decide for yourself. So let's see what is the card for your relationship. We have Cardinal of Spears in reverse. So with this card in your circumstances, sorry guys, it's Alchemist of Spheres. So in your circumstances today, this person is the person who is Maybe the person we were talking about, someone giving you ideas and suggestions, maybe they are the root of problems today. They are really manipulative. So you need to avoid them. You need to avoid this person. Maybe they are feeding you negative ideas or negative suggestions. So if you know who it is, you need to stay away from them. So for your career circumstances, we have one card. We will see what it is. It's Two of Moons. So in your work, maybe you are seeing some business collaboration or a partnership, something positive, something increasing your work potential and potential for success today, Virgos. So that is the reading with these cards, and that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. Stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, Virgos. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes, choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay guys, so now let's start the reading with the first card. I will keep this card aside. So we will see what is this card for those who chose this card. It says Orphaned. So in your circumstances today, in your relationship, you are in a situation where you feel that you are unable to fit in. You don't have that sense of belonging in this relationship. Some kind of uncertainty is there today in this connection. And the reasons may be because we are all unique beings and we are all evolving spiritually and emotionally. So we are committed to our own growth, and when we long for people to support us in this difficult path, we may be disappointed or even hurt by the people who are with us, because the way they are, maybe their actions or their words, they may not understand what we are going through, because each and every one of us are in different stages of personal growth. Maybe this person is at another stage and we are at another stage, and we are in this relationship, maybe we are in a new connection where we do not share the same visions, share our values and beliefs, and each of us may have different values and beliefs. That may be the reason we do not feel so close with this person. That sense of belonging may not be there. So you need to accept things as it is today, whatever is happening, and you can be you can rest assured that spirit or that higher power or God, whatever you call it, will steer you in the direction of people who will appreciate you for whatever you are, without any artifice, without any agenda. So you don't have to compromise anything to be in this relationship just for that sense of belonging, because it won't be worth the price. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this second card, we will see what it is. Vasila the Brave. And with this card, for those who chose this card, you are going through a difficult circumstance, but you need not worry. You are going to come out of this situation much wiser, much stronger than before, and you will pass any test that you have been put through today. And maybe in your life you have someone close to you. It may be a family member, it may be your mother or a sibling, a woman maybe for some of you. And this person is your strength, this person is your guiding light. And maybe for some of you, you have a very strong parent, you have that strong motherly love, you have experienced that in your life, and this love and knowledge is guiding you each and every day. And maybe in your heart of hearts, when you are making some important choices, you may hear a very calm voice telling you what you need to do. That is your intuition, you must listen to it. So you have a very a sensitive spirit, something telling you what to do, and it may be a wisdom that has been passed on from your parents or from your grandmother, someone who was very close to you. And in any situation, whatever difficulties you are seeing, if you listen to this voice, you are going to make the right decision, the right choice today. And you need to understand that there may be a time of separation from family members or friends, but you need to do your best. You need to try and do whatever needs to be done. Do not lose heart in this circumstance. And from this darkness, you are going to move towards a greatest light in your life, and you are going to face all your fears with courage and knowledge and wisdom. And there is a time of a new beginning coming in your life. So circumstances are definitely changing. All you need to do is face your situation with strength and determination, courage, and listen to your intuition that is going to guide you all the way through. So that is the energy here with this card. For those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys, for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.